Hello, it's your girl Sassy, and I'm back again with another recipe. But I think my ingredients should at least give you a clue about what I'm coming to cook. Or what do you think? Okay, so let me just take you through the ingredients. I have beans. I've already soaked it in water. I did that because that helps you to separate the bad beans from the good ones. So you do that for 5 minutes. And I have fresh tomatoes, I have palm oil, I have salmon. You can use mackerel or any fish that you want. I have pepper, sliced onions, green pepper, carrots. Carrots and the green pepper, they are both optional. You can choose to leave them out. I have extra onion here and garlic and ginger. I'm going to blend them with the pepper, and I have salt taste. And hey, I have sardine, but the sardine too is optional. Okay, so you can choose to leave them out. So I have my water already on fire. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to push all the ingredients aside. Yes, I'm going to push everything aside. I already have my water on fire, so I'm going to add my beans to it. And be reminded that anytime you are cooking beans, don't add salt to it. Okay, at the early stages, don't add salt to it. Wait when it's well cooked, then you add a pinch of salt, then you allow it to cook for some time. I'm going to cook it till it becomes tender. I mean the beans, until it becomes tender, as in soft. Okay. So now that we have our beans on fire, let's go to the next step. So garlic and ginger. And I'll add my tomatoes to it. And a little water. So I'm going to add salt to it now. As you can see, my beans has become very tender. So I'm going to pour in my palm oil. So I'm going to add my blended vegetables. The reason why I blended everything together is that it saves time. See, when cooking, mostly you don't have to waste too much time. I'm going to allow the lettuce to simmer for 5 minutes. So I'm going to add my fish. So as you can see, I've not added salt or any other seasoning to it. Yes, because of the beans. Sometimes you have to stay away from seasoning to live a healthy life. Okay. If it's not a natural seasoning, then forget it. So my carrots and green pepper will go in now. So I'm going to add my beans to it. So you have to stir everything gently. Other than that, you end up losing all the fish in the stew. So now that my beans is in, I'm going to add a pinch of salt. I didn't add salt because I already added salt to the beans. So I've tasted it and I need more salt. So I've added some more to it. So I'm going to stir it and leave it for 2 minutes. So as you can see, my bean stew is ready. Thank you so much for staying with me on this video. And please don't forget to subscribe. And to my new subscribers, say welcome and thank you so much. And to my Nutritious fans, thank you so much for always staying with me and for your support. So till we meet again, I'll say bye bye.